Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back. Okay, so this time I'm in Seminyak area. It's a rainy day, guys, unfortunately. So let's walk around in Seminyak and let's see the situation. And here, I forgot the name of this street, but I think it is Jalan Braban. And as you can see, guys, still a lot of water this road. And here, there's a cafe. How you pronounce it? Minot or Mino? Not really busy at the moment. And I think last time someone asked me about this cafe, if this cafe open or not. And as you can see, they are open, of course. Maybe later it will be busy. And let's go and walk here. This is Jalan Mertasari in Seminyak. Let's see what is happening. And anyway, at this area, you will find so many villas, of course. But nothing much is happening along the street, yeah. Not a lot of business, mostly villas like this here on the left side. Look at that. There are so many villas. Alif, Wakaha, Mandala. So must be inside there. Have you been staying here before? And there is a mini mart here. You can do some shopping, and here is a spa. Hello. But look at this here on the right side. I don't know what is happening with this villa, I think, yeah. There are so many villas inside there. You can see from outside, so many rooms. But it is closed. Not really sure what happened. Have you been staying here before? And here, this place also closed, guys. Look at that. Their board sign is closed. Do you know what place is this? Hey, what is happening? There is a police line here. Pak, kenapa itu ya tempatnya?
Udah tutup, Pak.
Tutup ya? Kok ada police line-nya ya?
Ini dapat digerebek. Kan spa ini.
Oh, yang dulu tuh ya?
Ya.
Yang spa ini tuh ya? Plus itu ya?
Selebihnya kita nggak tahu, kita tahu itu aja.
Oh, yang spa yang dulu yang itu tuh ya? Oh ya. Oke deh, kasih Pak ya. I asked the gentleman earlier. Yeah, and I remember last time there was a case there. If not mistaken, it was a spa, but also they provide like prostitute service, something like that. If not mistaken, yeah, based on the news last time. And here is the Maya Sayang Bar and Restaurant. But unfortunately, it looks not really optimistic, guys. Look at this. This place is closed. Look at this, the restaurant's closed, and also here there's a sign closed. Not really sure what happened. Okay, we are arriving here. This is the main street in Seminyak, Jalan Kayu Aya. And look at that, they have big sales here, 50%. So if you want to do some shopping, you can come here, 30%, 50%. And the restaurants there is open. It's good to see that. Okay, let's continue and keep walking here. That is the Nirvana bar. Starting to be busy, I think. Ooh, but that is But I can say so far in this area it's not really busy. Maybe because it's a bit too early. People preparing themselves for dinner. Now it's around 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And anyway, the weather is also it's cloudy today. So maybe people prefer to stay at the hotel. This is Chandi restaurants, guys. There are some people here starting to be busy. Look at that shops. Very cute shop actually. They're selling a lot of things, girls things I think. This kind of weather is really good to walk around because it's not hot and no rain, which is good. Even rain a little bit, it is still okay. And this is Greek restaurant. Look at that, it's starting to be busy here. Wow, look at this car. It's bringing like a lot of things here. Welcome to Bali. Look at that. Paulina Katarina. It's nice shops. They have nice dresses, and I think they have also these shops in Sanur. Do you know about this brand? But anyway, there are so many good brands that open. Seminyak, Kuta, Sanur. And look at this place, guys. Junction's House. They have a nice bar, and here starting to be busy. And this is Seminyak Square. Let's have a quick look here. I know some of you like to do some shopping here as well. They have market at just by the parking area, and also they have the branded stuff inside, guys. This is the parking area.
Apa ya? Lobby Andi masuk. Lobby Andi masuk.
So many dresses, and I hope they have made some sales today. And also a lot more here, guys. Let's keep walking. A lot of bags here. Wow, this spot is really good. Eh? They have a lot of restaurants in this area, and also shops there. I think it's the same as souvenir shops, like you can find inside of the Seminyak Village Mall. Yeah, there's so many things here. Everybody love to have ice cream. Here on the left side, basically the same thing that you can find at the mall as well. A lot of branded stuff, Billabong, Quicksilver, something like that. And here also a lot more, guys. Roxy, Quicksilver, Lila Lane, Secret Garden. Anybody of you like to come here, Seminyak Square, to do some shopping maybe? Let's go back to the main road. Okay. corn.
Oke, Bos.
Berapa satu, Pak?
15
Yo. Dari jam berapa mulai sini?
jam 5.
5 pagi atau 5 sore?
5 sore baru
Oh,
ada.
oh 5 sore.
Ya, barusan.
Biasanya berapa banyak laku?
Ya, sekarang banyak lah. Karena ini kan. Tergantung dari hawa juga, Bang. Kalau panas jarang namanya.
Yeah. So he sell grilled corn here, like you see. One corn is 15,000 rupiah.
Bang, Batagor jam berapa biasanya?
Aduh. Barusan udah lewat aja, Bang.
Udah lewat?
Iya. Iya.
So they have peanuts as well. Look at that. If you like to have some flavor as well, you may do so. This is butter, and then the next one itu apa, Bang?
Spicy.
Oh, spicy. Spicy. Wow, smell very good. You can find him in front of the Seminyak Village Mall. Here, Seminyak Village Mall. He started to sell the corn at 5 p.m. guys. Okay, let's continue. This is the cafe area, Seminyak Village Mall. It's getting busy. And here in front of us, more and more shops. Boseman, if you want to try their burger. I saw a lot of advertisement about Boseman burger. Probably it's good, yeah? Look at that. Here also, there's a cute restaurant and bar. It's Casa Resto and Bar. And here is the Mutiara Bali boutique resort and also villas, guys. Anybody of you planning to stay here maybe for your next holiday to Bali? Okay, so that's all for today's walk in this area in Seminyak. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.